Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 23 of Build, the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the Mad Max car, in 1/8 scale from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to join me building this gorgeous, gorgeous car, head over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building this iconic car along with me, folks. So let's have a quick look through issue 23 of the magazine and see what we've got. There we've got stage 23, which is the chassis panel there with the raised tunnel. So we're going to be fitting that. So we're going to need our previous issue with the metal rear section of the floor. And this is where we're working on our Ford Falcons, just above where these rear wheels sit, folks, okay? Nice simple instructions there that guide you through everything we're going to be doing today. Really is nice and clear. All the screws are colour-coded, parts are colour-coded, so you can't go wrong, folks, okay? This is what we're going to end up with as our completed assembly today. And then we've got a little bit of blurbage there on the American customizing trends, etc., etc. This was chopped and dropped and lowered, as you can see. Looking rather sexy, isn't it? There's a Plymouth as well. There's a little bit to read in the magazine there as well. And then obviously what we're going to be getting in the next few issues shows on the back, folks, okay? So I'm going to open this up, lay out the parts we're going to be working on, and we'll get a bit of assembly done for you folks, okay? So this is today's part that we've got. And this obviously was what we was working on last time out. And it really is this simple. I'm going to be pressing that in place over the top there. And we're going to be screwing around the perimeter of this into place, okay? So that's what we're up to today. Right, so what we'll do is we'll grab a screw, do our usual bit of oil on her, like so, and we will start down the front of this tunnel down here. I'll start putting these in, folks. That's the first side. Same again. Let's grab the screws that we want and work our way round the perimeter of this and get this little section in place. Nice simple issue this week, folks. Literally we're just popping that piece in place like that. A little bit of oil in there, and then we can come round, screw that one in, and we're working our way front to back basically, just to pull this into situ. We'll do the same the other side there on that one. Like so. Grab that screw there. You always get a spare screw with these as well, so don't worry if you've got one left over. We got the two little ears at the back there. So we'll do that side. Like that. And then to finish, we'll put that little piece in. Just there. And that's going to live over there. Just like so. And that is that floor section in now. Covers up that little gap. And then from the other side, it closes off the underneath there. Okay? So that's what you're going to end up with today at the end of this issue, folks. So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build one of these Ford Falcon Mad Max cars along with me, head over to the Hachette website, which is all the way along there. There is a clickable link below. And you too can be building this iconic 1/8 scale Mad Max car. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little fester in the bottom there and subscribe to my channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring and select all, and you'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you all so much for coming in and keeping me company. I really do appreciate it. Stay safe and well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.